Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shopify. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about Shopify and you will click. Here you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Shopify. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.